morning, students. Let us perform an activity to understand sedimentation and loading. You have already studied that sedimentation is the process of settling down of heavier insoluble particles at the bottom of the liquid. But sometimes the fine clay particles they remain suspended in the water even after a long time. To make these suspended fine particles settle down, sometimes we use certain chemicals like alum. This process is known as loading. Alum, it is soluble in water and it entangles with the suspended clay particles and make them heavier, and thus helps in increasing the rate of sedimentation. Let us perform this activity. For this activity, I am having here a glass filled with water, some garden soil and alum. This is alum and is easily available in the market under the name of Fitkari. First of all, I take a spoonful of garden soil and dissolve it in water. When I do so, you can see the water has become quite muddy. To get clarified water, I have to keep this water for some period of time so that all the dust particles they can settle down. I have done this overnight. You can see here that when this water is kept overnight, all the insoluble clay particles they have settled down at the bottom and a clear liquid is obtained here. But if you look more closely, is it that clear? No, there are still certain clay particles which remain suspended in the water. What can be done to get rid of them? We can use a piece of alum for making these particles settle down. I am having here a piece of alum that I have tied to a thread. Now I am going to suspend it in this water. Okay, when we do that, the alum it dissolves in water and entangles with the clay particles, make them heavy and help them to settle down. And I have done this overnight. Look here, see, can you see the difference? See the difference here. Both the waters they have been kept overnight. This is sedimentation and this is loading. When I suspended a piece of alum like this in this glass overnight, you can see here that the fine dust particles they have become coagulated, they have become heavier, and now the water is much more clearer. See the difference between the two jars? This is called loading. It is usually done to get clarified water during the rainy season, and it is also used in the water tanks in households.